Ever wondered how to create Hollywood-level VFX stunts? With Gemini, you can generate cinematic action sequences. Let's learn how to do it right now. Now let's describe the complex camera choreography. Detail the panning and rotations for Gemini. Gemini takes care of all complex calculations. It generates realistic fire, water, and debris. You save millions on set safety and equipment. That's how simple it is to create blockbuster stunts.
Let us see what you have got.
Now we'll add environment and lighting details. Describe where virtual elements should be placed. Refine your prompt for realistic simulations. We are ready to generate the final stunt. Click Generate and let the AI build the scene. It processes all the physics and the lighting. Review the stunt and iterate if needed. Now you have a Hollywood-level VFX shot.